Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So today's maintenance day will be washing some wigs. Honestly, I don't even know why I started this process because I regretted this at the end of this day. Like, I was so over it. And we'll be installing the wig again. Listen, it is way better than the first time, even if I do say so myself. But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So sit tight, enjoy, and maybe let me know how the second installation went. And yeah,
my life is like a theater where she makes her appearance every day, and every day it's the same old play. She's the main character, the heartbreaker, the savior, and the one that got away. So far away, it's so close to me. And it is getting harder to mask these feelings that I harbor for her, 'cause she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away,
the hair is dry. Can you please look at how this thing looks, ne? I'm going to try and bring it to life. Whew. I'm still working, so yeah. So I used the serum, the heat protector serum.
I can still see her face. I guess I'm a ghost and she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen. And she's just out of reach. She's just out of reach. She's not too accepting, but I hope to be her one exception someday. But someday seems so far away. Yeah, well, I'm just in atmosphere, heartbroken. You never know, 'cause you never know. I'm here as she basks in our thunderous cheers. And it is getting harder to mask these feelings that I harbor for her, 'cause she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away,
I honestly don't know why I started this activity for myself, but we're here now. I think I'm just gonna iron. I'm gonna use an iron for this one because I'm really tired.
I can still see her face. I guess I'm a ghost and she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen. And she's just out of reach.
Done with the bob. So this is how we are looking. Nice and clean. I hope you can see it. And then we are done with this one as well. I didn't straighten this much. Like, I didn't go row by row because I'm tired. So yeah, this is how we are looking. 2 more to go and I'll be done. I'm so tired. I don't know why I washed all 4, because now I'm not gonna go to sleep if I'm not done with all of them. So let me go.
She's just out of reach. Oh, my heart's in a cast, but it's a terrible actor, 'cause my emotions are kept in.
I have literally nothing left in me. So this is the other one. It's done as well. Couldn't straighten it, so I'll iron it whenever. I don't know when. This one is even worse. Yo, like I couldn't. I honestly couldn't. But yeah, at least now they're nice and clean. I'm actually gonna call it a night. I'm tired. I'm gonna make some tea and probably upload a video on YouTube that I finished editing, and then I'm gonna call it a night. I'm really tired, like really tired. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you the next day. Yeah, probably see you tomorrow. Hi guys. Okay, let me fix this before. Okay, so it is a Wednesday evening. It's way past my bedtime, but I have a birthday dinner to go to tomorrow, and I'm going to the office, so there won't be enough time for me to come back, get ready, do my makeup and my hair. So I'm gonna try and do the hair today, but I'll do the baby hairs and all these fancy things tomorrow. I think there'll be time for that. I'll probably do a get ready with me, my makeup. I'm not sure. It depends on what I'm gonna get home. So I'm gonna try the what do you call it? Yo, I'll find the name of what I'm doing and paste it here. So you pull, ouchie, you pull your thingy, your wig cap, I think this far. What do they call it, man? I don't know. And how am I gonna apply my glue? Oh Lord. Oh, you know what happens? They usually put the spray that got to be, okay, that's hurting my eyes. They usually put the got to be glue spray, but I don't have that. So let's try this method. Oh, guys, this pantyhose is so tight, I can't. I'm sure this will work. I mean, I'm back with this baby. But you know what I'm gonna use today? I'm not gonna lay it with this wig. I mean, not this wig, this glue, because I'm gonna have it on the whole day tomorrow, and I'm not sure if it's gonna be proper by the time I come back. So I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond glue because, you know, I've heard this one does the things you get. And one thing about me, like, I always need to be prepared. I can't just, I'm gonna be so anxious, and my day is not even gonna go that well if I don't plan. So I've taken out my outfit, ironed it even, and so at least if I do this, I know it's just one thing done, and then I'll just do my makeup when I come back. I just get back, shower, do my makeup and all of that. Your mom won't judge me. This is the same wig cap because I did the installation and I took it off. So I'm gonna dry it with cold air, go in with the second layer, dry that, and then come back and we'll cut this. I want this to be as quick as possible because I am exhausted. Like, I need to sleep right now. So I'll be back.
In the background every time I get close and our eyes connect. I know how it goes, but I love to forget that she's just out of reach, even when she's right.
Please pray with me. I hope this thing is sticking, because if it's not, yes. So I'm sort of like putting the scissors at the bottom. Okay, it's not like sticking completely. I think I need to let it dry up some more, because you see here, yeah, it's not sticking there. Okay, I'll come back to this. Whew. Oh Jesus. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this rather. I think because I'm so tired, I just want to really, I hope it did not cut my hair, because my hairline is almost non-existent, and I'm putting these scissors so close to my skin. Gary, hey, mpo. I think I'm rushing this specific process because I'm so tired and it's late. I saw I cut my hair. The little hairline that was coming back. Okay guys, let's go with another layer. I'm gonna dry it up for a little while, because you see here, I think I cut too much here. Don't worry don't worry baby girl, don't worry. This is going to be hidden by the wig, and I mean my pot is here, so it's actually perfect. Don't worry. Okay, let's be more patient. I'm going to go in with some Ghost Bond. Ooh. Guys, this is, I hope it doesn't mess up the little hairline I had, because I think this is where the wig is gonna, I'm just let's actually use this. I'm just going over the cap with this just to secure it. I'm sure you've noticed I haven't cut these parts off yet because I'm scared. Imagine after my hard work and this Ligusha just says, sis, what did you think you were doing, you know? So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this. Yo, I bore. Can't get it bubble. Jesus. Ghosty. What is going on? But I'm just literally doing, oh Jesus, I'm just doing the ends of this cap. Okay, let me shake this glue properly, because okay. And because there's a bit of hair here on the side, I'm going to be extra careful when I remove the wig, because I'm trying to restore my hairline. So this would be a terrible idea, or this is a terrible idea. It would be a terrible, it'll be a terrible thing if Mehara comes off. You see, so I'm going to be extra cautious, especially here by the ends.
In front of me, and on the days when she's miles away, I can still see her face. I guess I'm a go.
It was caro. So I am going to place the hair Did I cut this properly? Let me cut this lace some more, because I see I didn't do such a good job. Do you know what I'm going to do next time? I think I'm going to cut the lace first, not on my head, not while it's glued on, because they make it look so easy, but it really is not. Okay, everything else is fine. I'll cut off these when I'm done, because even me, I don't trust. Even me, I don't trust. When my hair starts growing, this wig is gonna sit proper, I tell you, because right now, yeah, like this wig is, it's like my head is small, so like there's like gaps and stuff, so when I wear it, I literally cover my ears because it's just that big. Okay, let's go. Ouch, back a bit. And let me shake this one more time. I don't think I did a good job.
And she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen. And she's just out of reach. She's just out of reach.
This is taking forever. Apparently it must be clear, but I mean it's clear here and here. Okay, please wish me luck. If you have the time, please wait for it to be clear. But let's see. So I'm gonna start here and then just pull it down. I'll remove the excess glue, so don't worry about that. Oopsie, I think I put too much glue. Crap, I forgot there's glue on this thing. Wow. Okay, let me use this. I just want to double check that it's sticking. Let me just dry it a little bit and then I'll put on a silk thingy to. I can't find that silk thing. My sister is going to kill me. But I mean, I can wash it off, so I'm gonna use this. It's about, because I'm gonna die. When they shot at me, she's gonna kill me. This is about, I think we're looking good so far. So yeah, I'll just have this on for a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna tidy up here and then I'll come back to show you how it looks. Hopefully when I come back from work tomorrow, this will still be intact. But because when we're filming a very quick get ready with me, you guys will be the judge of all of it, you know. I'm not gonna put anything on. I'll probably just like put some wax here in the morning before I leave. For the little hair that's standing, I'll just put on some wax, but it's not really necessary because it's literally just a few. I'm sure I can just straighten it out and I'm just gonna leave and go to work, and then when I come back we will test this and see if it's still intact. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna need to get the got2b spray, the got2b glue spray, the yellow spray, because it is less tedious than this. It's actually like super simple, because just spray it, goes it, and I think it dries quicker than the gel, because this is quite, it has a thick consistency. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this on, tidy up, and then I'll be back to just show you how it looks, and then I'm going to sleep because wow, guys, I want to cry. I didn't realize that this entire time this part has been cut off, like my head has been cut off. I only realized now. I'm so upset. But I'm hoping it's not too bad. Yeah, see why you shouldn't do these things when you're tired. But anyways, I'm just gonna be like this just in case it's cutting my head off again. I'm just gonna take this off and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, I think I put a lot of this glue, so don't you worry about this. I'm just gonna use the glue remover, the remover, yes, to remove this excess glue. But honestly, it's sticking, it's not moving. Like, ain't nobody snatching this wig. So yeah, I will obviously show you guys tomorrow when I get back from work, and then we'll see if it's still sticking. Okay, no, let me not do that. I'm just going to use the glue remover, and then I'm going to remove this excess glue. Oh guys, I can't find the glue remover. Thinking as I'm singing anyone. Oh, okay, but anyways, I don't know, I think I removed some of the glue here, but I'm just sticking it on because it's still sticky here. I tried to remove it with water, but I think I went too far. As I'm sneaking. So okay guys, this is, let me come closer. This is how it, please ignore this, like pretty please, because I think I messed up. This is glue. Can you see? This is glue that I need to clean off. So I'm going to try and do that in the morning while I'm fresh. But can you see? This is how we are looking. I'm not too mad. I'm really not too mad. Let me stop with this glue before I ruin this whole thing. Why do I feel like, oh, let me cut the goosher. Why do I feel like it's a lot to this side here? Let me not cut my ear. I feel like the hair is more on the left, you're right. Yeah, I feel like I could have pulled it to the right a bit more, but as collab, we can't do anything about that right now. So yo, I still feel like this hair does not suit me without makeup, but there's nothing I can do. I'm gonna fix this in the morning, clean the glue off, and but yeah, thank you so much guys, and I'm so sorry that my head was cut off in the first few parts of this, or in the important part where I was showing you how to do this. But yeah, thank you so much. we shall see each other tomorrow. I'm gonna call it a night. Good night and peace, man. Hi guys. This is going to be a very quick, oh, not so quick, get ready with me. I still have a lot of time on my hands. So I didn't go to the office. I couldn't go to the office. I got so sick yesterday after I was done filming, like maybe like 30 minutes after. My stomach was so painful. It was runny. It was a lot. So I'm using the Volcano home vlogging kits, whatever. So yeah, I'm just testing it out just to see how it is. I try to use the mic, but it has this weird sound. I still need to, I don't know, try. Maybe like if it's on me, my phone has to be a bit further. So now I thought, because it's on the mic stand and my phone is, I think it's too close to each other, so it's not really sounding but I'll definitely use it next time. So yeah, man, I did. Guys, baby hairs are hard. Like, they are so hard. Okay, especially on this side. If I had to do it this side, it will be better. But yeah, my wig is still intact. It is so hot. I am sweating. I don't know how this makeup is gonna stay on my face, but we shall see. So I'm gonna use most of the Hermosa Flow product. I'm using their brushes. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Nothing too hectic. It's just I don't think I'm gonna talk through anything. I will just play you guys some music, and yeah, you'll just see how I do my face. It changes all the time, so yeah. And I was told that it's best to do your baby hairs before you apply your makeup, because it's a bit messy if you do that after. So let's get into it. I literally woke up with these 3 pimples, and I'm like, at home. When I went to bed, I didn't have these pimples. Okay.
Like an ultrasound, your frequency
so I'm gonna remove it immediately because I never bake. I'm scared. I think it's too wide. Yeah, no, I don't think it's working for me. Or I don't think I like it because I don't usually bake. So, okay, this is scaring me. I'm just gonna blend it out. I can't find my contouring situation, so I'm gonna go in with an eyeshadow. I think this is better. Sorry.
My life is like a theater where she makes her appearance every day, and every day it's the same old play. She's the main character, the heartbreaker, the savior, and the one that got away. So far away, it's so close to me. And it is getting harder to mask these feelings that I harbor for her, 'cause she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away.
We are done. We are done with the face. I don't know if I like the glossy look. I'll see after I do my hair. So I'm going to do my hair quickly. Just, you know, the thing. I'm gonna do the thing, excuse me, and then I'm gonna go get dressed. I still have enough time. Oh, by the way, I did my stick-on nails. You know, China Mall is the plug, the same shop that I've plugged you on before. So yeah, I just did stick-on nails. I'm gonna do my hair, and yeah, and I'll probably see you guys when I get dressed, or after. I didn't do such a bad job with my sandana. I honestly don't know if I'm feeling this gloss. If I'm not, I will remove it and just leave it as matte. If I like it after the hair, I'll keep it. But you guys will see what I've decided on once I'm done. I'll see you in a minute. But I'm done. I just need to get dressed because my date is on his way, so yeah, but yeah, this is the look. I tried to do the thing, and this is how it's turning out. I was too scared to bring this thing closer, but literally this is, because you see what I did here. I was so scared, and I think it's melting the glue or something. I don't know. So this is what we are wearing.
See her face. I guess I'm a ghost and she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen.
You guys, so we are done. It is so hot. I am sweating. I'm done. Well, no, I'm not done. I'm almost done. I just need to get
She's not too accepting,
dress zipped,
but I
and
hope to be her one exception someday. But someday seems so far away.
Okay, this is how I look. I can't zip the dress, so I'll wait to get zipped. So this is my look. I'm just gonna wear my jewelry and then my bag, and yeah.
When it is getting harder to mask these feelings that I harbor for her, 'cause she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away, I can still see her face. I guess I'm a ghost and she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen. And she's just out of reach. She's just out of reach. Oh, my heart's in a cast, but it's a terrible actor, 'cause my emotions are kept in the background every time I get close and our eyes connect. I know how it goes, but I love to forget that she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away,
Welcome to dinner at D's.
I said, "I'm surprised."
she's just out of reach. My life is like a theater where she makes her appearance.
So, anyway, hi guys. Anyway, thank you for joining the party.
Why are you speaking like that?
I don't know. Mara oksala namtanje eneni bashishem. So kilebukile khorili. Anyway, as I was saying,
I'm sure you've always wanted to do that. Right?
You can tell, right?
And it is getting harder to mask these feelings that I harbor for her, 'cause she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away, I can still see her face. I guess
You are very accommodating.
I know, right?
I know you're straight.
You have a good heart. Whatever your heart desires, you deserve it.
Psalms
And
20.
even more.
Calm down.
Yeah.
far away. Yeah, I'm just in atmosphere, heartbroken. You never know, 'cause you never know I'm here as she basks in our thunderous cheer.